Hello everyone, I am Kajal Saini, your English teacher, and welcome in my class today. So my lovely students, today we are going to discuss an important chapter. So let's start now. So our lesson is adjective. Okay, so we will learn in this lesson what is adjective and how do we learn it and where do we have to use. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn about all the things regarding adjectives. Okay, so let's start now. So look out now, definition of adjective. An adjective is a word that provides more information about a noun. Okay, I think it will be clear by this definition. So what is adjective? Adjective is that word which tells something more about your noun, which tells something more information. Okay, it gives you more information about the noun. That is your adjective. Is it clear? Means we know about the noun but we do not know that in which quantity, in which quality, means something more. It tells always about the noun. Okay, so next one, position of an adjective. Where do we use it? Okay, basically we will learn now that where do we use it. An adjective. Okay, so adjective are usually placed before the noun. Means so many times it's we use adjective, we will find the adjective before nouns. How? Like a pretty dress, an empty pot, a great idea. Okay, so a pretty dress, what is dress here? Dress is here noun, and pretty means in this you will find that dress is pretty. Something more means more information you are just getting about the dress, means dress is pretty. Clear? So a pretty dress. So what is adjective here? Pretty. Okay, next one is an empty pot. Okay, pot is noun here, and now you are getting one more information that pot is empty. So what is adjective here? Empty. Clear? I told you also in the definition that adjective is that which we tells more information about the noun. So here you are getting the information about noun, that an empty pot. Pot is your empty. So what is empty here? Adjective. Clear? Idea, it would be your great. Okay, terrible, like. So what is idea? A great idea. Okay, so idea is your great, your idea is great. So you are telling about great. So what is great here? Adjective. Okay, you are telling about your idea. So idea is your great. Okay, so great is your adjective. Clear? Clear, my lovely students? Again I am telling you that it always tells you about noun. Okay, adjective always tells something new about the noun. It always gives us something new, some new information about the noun. Clear? Next one, sometimes adjective are placed after verb also. Okay, means two places we have learned in this. So number one, whenever, now sometime we will find before the nouns, and sometime we will find that after the what? After add now your verb, after your verb. Okay, so let's have example of the verb also. Like Arun looks smart in that dress. Arun looks smart. Okay, but now looks is not your noun. Look is your what? Verb. Okay, look is your verb here. So I told you that sometime we will get your verbs, now your adjective after verb. So this is the example of it. Arun looks smart. Okay, how does he look? Smart. Okay, so what is smart here? Smart is your adjective. It is telling about the noun, means about your Arun. Arun is looking smart. Done. Next one is the apple tastes good. Again the same, I'm telling here about the apple. Okay, apple quality. How does it taste? Good. Okay, so we are telling about a noun quality. Clear? Yes. Next one is the cow. The cow appears to be old. Okay, how does she appears to be old? Old. Okay, so again we are telling here a noun, about noun. Okay, something about noun, new information we are getting in this. Okay, so next one is the idea is excellent. Okay, first idea we got that a great idea, and now again we are getting that same a word but with different meaning. Okay, so is, what is here, is your verb, helping verb. It is your helping verb. So the idea is excellent. How is your idea? Excellent. Excellent मतलब बहुत बढ़िया. Okay, so what is idea? Excellent. So excellent is telling about idea. Clear? So means idea is your noun and excellent is telling about noun. Clear? So how's your idea? Excellent. So what is adjective here? Excellent. Okay, so my lovely students, now we will do one exercise and quickly you can get it all the answer. So number one is, she was wearing a blank skirt which she bought yesterday. Okay, so you can say this thing also, she was wearing a skirt. Clear? This is also right, but you have to tell that the skirt is pretty, the skirt is beautiful, the skirt's red color. Okay, means something new, something good you are telling about that thing. Means she was wearing a beautiful skirt. So skirt, how's the skirt? Beautiful. Clear? So this is your adjective. Okay, sometime you says to your mother, mama give me chapati. Chapati is your noun, but if you are telling mama give me one more chapati, one chapati, so what is one here? You are telling about its quantity. Okay, so that is your what? Adjective. Clear? I bought 3 plates to take to the picnic. Okay, so how many plates? 3. Okay, I bought plates. This is also right, but if you are telling the quantity of it, I bought 3 plates. So what is 3 here? Adjective. Clear? In next one, Tom is blank boy. Okay, so Tom is boy. Tom is a boy. This is also right, but yeah, we are telling that how is the Tom? Tom is a brave boy, smart boy, clever boy, you can say. So what is brave here? Brave is your adjective. Okay, this is the quality of that boy. He is very brave. Next one is, you must always carry blank pencil and an eraser in your bag. Okay, so we are telling to someone that you must always carry 2 pencils. Okay, you can say this thing also, that you must have always carry your pencils. Okay, but we are telling about its quantity, that you must always carry at least 2 pencil. Okay, so what is 2 here? 2 is your adjective. Okay, something new you are getting about your noun. Clear? Next one, you will find the candies in the blank jar on the table. Okay, you will find the candies on the jar. Look now. So what is jar? Like jar is a complete sentence, but if you are telling about glass jar, plastic jar, okay, so it's telling something about the jar. It's telling something about, it's giving a new information about jar. Okay, so this is the adjective definition. Adjective always gives you more information about noun. Clear? So I have told you so many example of it, and I have told you about the definition also. So I hope it will help you, and just try to learn something new. And bye everyone, have a good day.